My hair is wonky. Oh, good morning, guys. अरे वीर आप भी गुड मॉर्निंग बोलने आए हो सबको. बोलो गुड मॉर्निंग. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't vlogged at home in a while. Like I've been vlogging while we were traveling and this and that. So yeah, I just decided let's just pick up the camera and get back to vlogging because I missed this. Did you miss it? Did you miss being recorded? He's mesmerized because we're in the balcony and he loves looking at birds and trees and cars and people. Yep, birds देख रहे हो? आप birds देख रहे हो? A quick reminder that if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. Go check that out. Also, if you can click that little tiny bell button, you'll just get notified every time I post a video. Also, I got a massive, ugly little pimple, which is a sad thing. So, क्या देख रहे बेबी? Bird. Birds. Anyways, join us in our day. Bye all. I just realized, like an idiot, I forgot to charge the battery of my camera. So I'm gonna go and do that. You might miss out on the morning break. Yes, beta. So you might miss out on my early morning breakfast making session because I'll go and charge this camera. But I want to vlog today, so I'm not gonna like cancel my vlogging session. I did try and vlog like last Friday, but then my friend had came over and nothing really happened because we were just busy trying to build her blog. I'm gonna insert whatever little footage that I have of that day after this clip. Good morning, guys. It's an exciting day. My best friend is coming over. You putting me in your vlog? Yes, vlog. उधर देखो, उधर देखो. मासी आई है, मासी. देखो मम्मा, मम्मा क्या टीवी देख रहे हैं. मासी आई है, मासी. मासी. ये आपकी चेयर है.
चेयर. बैठोगे?
अपना बैठ जाता
ये
है.
मेरी चेयर है.
बैठ जाता है.
वो आपकी चेयर है, मेरी चेयर है.
बैठो
से.
चेयर पे बैठो. बैठो अपनी चेयर पे.
Shoes, yeah.
शू. शू, टमी, चेयर.
Clapping. बाहर.
हाँ.
हाँ बेबी. आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ध्यान रखना. लैपटॉप पे हाथ मारता है when you least suspect it.
में ऐसे हाथ मत मारना.
एकदम उंगलियां मार देता है.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Okay.
So my friend is here, Stuti, my sister basically, and the reason she's here is we are setting up her blog, which is called
Working your life.
Working Your Light. I keep
Working
forgetting
your
it.
life. Yeah, I'm also forgetting, which is getting on with it.
So what is the blog about?
It's about energy and vibes and healing and a lot of things that are related to the energy fields and how we come across these every day and how we can deal with it in like different ways.
So basically interesting stuff. I'm going to link her blog down below in the description box. It's really interesting, and the reason that she's come to me is because in case you didn't know, I had a blog called Crazy Indian Wedding before, and well, I'm not an expert in bloggy stuff, but I know a bit of bloggy stuff, so that's why she's here. We're setting up her blog right now. For anybody who's ever wanted to set up, and Arivir is running around and having fun.
About the blog.
Very excited about the vlog. So what was I saying? Yeah, if any of you ever want to like start a blog, then here are a few tips. First of all, get a Gmail address because that's important. Get a blog name. What?
Yeah, think of a name. Very important. Think of a name.
Think of a name. She didn't know a name, so the first thing we did was research a name.
Yeah, we saw a name. Yeah.
So make sure that name is available on your .com site and on Instagram, Twitter, or any social media site that you want the blog to be on. Make sure that name is available. Then register yourself everywhere. Get a GoDaddy account, which we did. Make sure you have like a picture that you want to make of the blog. That's your official picture. And yeah, that's pretty much how you start, like on day one, and then you kind of just learn and go ahead, which I'm now going to teach her. So
yeah,
but
apparently you also think of content for the first
yes,
posts.
obviously. Think of content for first 5 posts actually. I just told you 2. So first 5 posts basically. So Stuti just left, and before leaving she told me about this amazing combination. Like I've always had like strawberry and chocolate. I've had that before, but I've never had like chopped strawberries with a spoonful of Nutella before. I'm gonna go and have that right now. It sounds so yummy. This is divine. Divine. For breakfast, I'm having kheera tomato ka sandwich, and Aravind is having methi ka paratha. We're also having some fruits. Aravind nowadays loves to eat with bowl and spoon. Aravind, क्या कर रहे हो? ऐसे नहीं खाते. It's his new love to kind of scoop and eat. So that is what he's trying to do, although he obviously isn't able to, so he eats with his hands eventually. Anyways, that's our breakfast. I've also got my coffee, and I've got my Viva sauces. I love these sweet onion and sweet chili. Absolutely love these. These are amazing. ये ना उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं. आपको खिलाऊं? नहीं? ला दो. Thank you. Thank you. Done. I am making hare pyaj ki sabji for lunch today. I've got my bulbs of the hara pyaj, I've got other leaves, and I've got some potatoes. So that is what is happening right now. I've also got my bottle of water right here. For the oddest reasons, I always feel like really thirsty while I'm cooking. I don't know why. Yes, Pitu? Hi, baby. I just added some olive oil, some jeera, and the bulbs of the spring onion. I'm going to cook them till they're transparent, and then add the potatoes, and then add the leaves. Once the bulbs are like a little golden brown and transparent, I'm going to add a little bit of haldi, a little bit of lal mirch, and a little bit of salt, and some dhania. I don't always add dhania, it just depends on my mood. Mix the potatoes nicely with the masala, and then after a minute or 2 I'm going to add the leaves, and I'm going to cover it and let it cook till the potatoes are tender. Alright, I've just added my green leaves. I'm going to mix this thoroughly and going to let it cook for a while. The one thing to remember about spring onions is that although the quantity right now looks huge, it's like the kadai is full right now, but this is going to reduce to half its quantity. So just if you think that, oh my god, this is looking too much, it's actually not. This is like okay for around 4 people. It will end up being that kind of a quantity, 4 to 5 people basically. I also got some arhar ki dal cooking for lunch, and I'll just show you. Look, the hare pyaj ki sabji has reduced in size massively. Hi, बहुत आ गया. बहुत आ गया Aravind. I have been massively tanned with all the holidays and travel. Plus me and Aravi sit in the sun every day for like 15 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some uptan for me to apply. Aravi has just slept, so now I can go and take a bath. For my uptan, I have taken some besan, which is around, I kind of eyeball it. I don't have like a fixed recipe for it. It's like 3 teaspoon, I think this is a teaspoon or tablespoon, I don't know, of besan, a pinch of haldi, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey, some rose water, some milk, and some malai. Alright, I'm just going to go and apply a medium to thick paste all over my face, my legs, my arms, and everywhere else. I think that I'm tan. And then after it dries off, I'm going to scrub it off, and then I'm going to go take a bath. So I will catch you guys after I take a bath. So yeah. And that is how my skin looks after I've applied Ubtan and taken a bath. I don't know if you can see like a difference. There is a slight difference with Ubtan. What happens is that you have to kind of apply it a couple of times before you see like the final perfect result. So you'll get like a shade lighter every time you apply it like that. It's not like a miracle thing that I'll be 5 times fairer once I apply this. No, that's just that. People who tell you that are just telling you crap. It's a slow process. After you've applied it like a couple of times, then is when you actually see like real results happening. And that is our lunch for the day. Arad ki dal, spring onions and aloo, and rice and some salad. Yes. खा लिया? क्या चाहिए आपको? राइस चाहिए? मम्मा दाल डाल के देगी अभी राइस. Rice. I probably shouldn't be going out, but this little boy. Why are you closing the door? I thought you wanted to go out. बाहर नहीं जाना? आपने तो कहा था बाहर जाना है. आप दरवाज़ा बंद क्यों कर रहे हो? हाँ? दरवाज़ा बंद क्यों कर रहे हो? बाहर जाना था ना. अब तो बंद हो गया. आप कैसे जाएंगे? आप कैसे जाएंगे? मम्मा ले जाएगी. मम्मा कैसे ले जाएगी? आपने दरवाज़ा बंद कर दिया. Me, Aryaveer, and my mother-in-law are going grocery shopping right now. I'm not doing anything to my face. Basically, the day when I apply Ubtan, I don't do anything at all to my face. I don't even put on like any cream. I don't like putting on any chemicals when I've done like a home treatment. I've only got my trusty Revlon matte balm in the shade Sultry on my lips. So yeah, that's all. That's how we're going up. Huh, beta? Yes, we do. Acha? In case you are wondering, I am wearing this jacket from Westside. This top is from a little boutique I found in Defense Colony called Chic. And my Marks and Spencer jeans and Kalanikethan chappals. Kya hua? I just got my bag out, so now Aryaveer thinks I'm leaving without him, which happens every single time. Aryaveer, baby, aaja. Chalo, bahar chalenge. निकाल लिया.
1 सेकंड से पहले पेन बाहर.
I got these two chocolates. I haven't had them. Like, I knew they were released, but I haven't had them since then. Silk Oreo. I mean, duh, I have to try Silk Oreo. And Marvelous Creation Cookie Nut Crunch. I just saw this. They had another one that had like Pop-Tarts in it, but I never really liked Pop-Tarts, so I didn't get that one. Also, side note, I don't really like Oreos a lot, but I do love Silk, so let's see. We're gonna try Silk Oreo first. Okay. Be careful because when you do that, there's cream inside. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. अच्छी भी है, क्रीमी भी है बहुत ज़्यादा. अच्छी है, बट ऐसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते, बट अच्छी है.
खत्म हो गया ना, नम हो गया.
अच्छी थोड़ी सी एक कर लेना. It's a little creamy, but it's nice. But it's something you won't be able to have like alone. You definitely need somebody to. नहीं बेटा, अरे भी आप नहीं, आपके लिए नहीं है ये, मम्मा के. Next, Marvelous Creation Cookie Nut Crunch. This looks different from other Dairy Milks. It's chunky. देखो कैसी chunky है. नम्मी आपके नहीं है. It's like a chunkier version of fruit and nut. That's nice. कैसी लगी? अरे वो क्यों खा रहा है? I look away for 1 minute and Aravir is being fed chocolate. अच्छी है. कैसी लगी? It's nice actually. अच्छी better लगी. ये वाली?
अपनी में रहेगा.
My husband also likes this one better. Even I like this one better. I do love Silk normally, but I think it's a little too creamy. आपको ये क्यों नहीं पसंद आई ज़्यादा? My camera ran out of space. आपको क्यों नहीं पसंद ये Silk? Like
ओरियो का बिस्किट पर्सन हमें क्रीम
ज़्यादा creamy है, so that's why we didn't like it. But this is actually really nice. It's chunkier version of fruit and nut नहीं लग रही है? Like भारी भरकम fruit and nut. That's how this one tastes. I got some makhanis from a different company this time. I always get Divinity, but I thought let's try this one. These are called Arab, and this is cream and onion, and these are Pudina Pop. Hi, beta. We're watching some Filmfare. Aravir has just slept. It's gone 9:20, and I think I'm going to end my vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed the vlog, then make sure to click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.